that's where the leaves are.
Good.
And if you don't stop, you're just going to keep running and running the lake.
All right. On your marks. Get set.
And you have to run back up here, right? They have to run back up here, right? Yeah.
Go.
Oh, Lord.
Harris is going to pick his ass. Look how he pushes up.
Lizard's fight. I think I just heard a bear.
Heard a bear.
You better run, man. Run!
Watch the step.
Stay away from the steps.
Oh, come
Run!
Come on.
Get up that hill. Harris, come on.
499 more to go.
499 to go, buddy. Harris, finish it with a run. Come on, buddy. Come on.
All right, there's lap 1 complete. Go ahead on lap 2.
$4.99.
Run! Run!
99 more to go.
Run! Come on. I don't know if soccer's going to work out well.
Come on, buddy. Wilson.
Wilson, that's just a little hill, remember?
Yeah, you can do it. What? No, you're not going up and down here.
You're almost there. Come on.
Come on, Harris. Let's
Good
go.
for you.
Somebody might call the cops on us for
Get ready to
shouting.
get lapped, Wilson.
You're about to get loud. You made it once. Come on, Harris. Run, buddy.
You could do. Wilson. You could lay down and roll down the hill.
I'm too tired.
But that's one time.
You got 499 more to go.
Yeah, you can do it 500 times, Wilson.
How do you like the hill?
I don't like it.
You don't?
Okay, here we go again.
Come on, Harris. Run, buddy. Run.
Wilson, why did you have to set us up for this?
Run, Harris!
You're on video, Harris. Come on, run.
Wilson. You can go lay down and roll back down.
Harris, you said you wanted to run the 5K this year at school.
I did not say that.
Yeah, you did. You ran a 1 mile.